Welcome to Singapore, a city-state known for its diverse culture, delicious food, and endless entertainment options. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a returning traveler, there's always something new to discover in this vibrant city. This is Beyond the Compass, and in today's video, we'll be sharing our top 5 things to do in Singapore. Number 1. Marina Bay Sands. First on our list, we recommend visiting this luxury hotel and resort. It features a rooftop infinity pool with breathtaking views of the city. This infinity pool is one of the main attractions and is the largest rooftop pool in the world. Not only is it a great place to swim and sunbathe, but it's also a popular spot for taking photos since it's located on the top of 3 55-story towers. So be sure to bring your camera and snap some shots of the skyline at sunset. Aside from that, you can also visit the mall, known as the Shops. This mall features a wide range of luxury brands and designer stores. The ArtScience Museum is also located within the complex, featuring interactive exhibits and displays. So make sure to catch the light shows, which runs at 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. every day of the week. Number 2. The Gardens by the Bay. This stunning park features over 1 million plants from around the world, including a unique collection of super trees that tower up to 16 stories high. If you are a flower lover like me, I recommend checking out the Flower Dome in the gardens. This conservatory is the largest columnless glass house in the world. It features a diverse collection of plants from the Mediterranean and semi-arid regions. The Flower Dome also has seasonal flower displays, so be sure to check what's in bloom during your visit. Another must-see places in this garden are the Cloud Forest. It has a 35-meter-tall waterfall and a stunning view of the forest. Last but not least, take a walk through the Heritage Garden. This garden is a tribute to Singapore's rich cultural heritage. It has themed gardens that showcase the country's ethnic diversity, such as Chinese, Indian, and Malay. Number 3. The Hawker Centers. These bustling food courts are a must-visit for a foodie. They are known for their cheap prices, and it's not uncommon to find a meal for under $5. You can try a variety of different dishes such as laksa, spicy noodle soup, chicken rice, or satay, skewered meat grilled over charcoal. So be sure to bring your appetite and be prepared for some delicious and cheap food. Number 4. The Merlion Park. Standing at 8.6 meters tall, check out the Merlion statue, a mythical creature with the head of a lion and the body of a fish. This statue is part of the city-state's identity and the official mascot of Singapore. The Merlion Park is located in the Marina Bay, so it will be the perfect place to unwind after a long day of sightseeing. With many restaurants and bars around the area, you will end up grabbing a bite to eat or having a drink while enjoying the views. Number 5. The Clarke Quay. Last but not least, this location is one of the tourists' favorite things to do in Singapore, especially at night. This popular spot is known for its lively nightlife and riverside dining. So if you like boats, make sure to catch a river cruise at night to enjoy the colorful lights and lively energy. The Clarke Quay is also known to have events and festivals all the time, so make sure to check out their schedule to be part of these events. These are just a few of the many things you can do when visiting Singapore. From the bustling streets of Chinatown to the tranquil gardens of Gardens by the Bay, this city-state truly has something for everyone. That's why I believe this destination should be on everyone's bucket list. Thanks for watching our video on the top 5 things to do in Singapore. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel videos. Please leave a comment below letting us know what you'd like to see next. And remember to travel beyond the compass.